Welcome to this tutorial on the SHA1 command in Splunk. SHA1 is a powerful cryptographic hash function that generates secure hash algorithm 1 hash values. These hash values are commonly used for creating cryptographic checksums and data verification purposes. The SHA1 command allows you to transform sensitive data into fixed-length hash strings, making it an essential tool for data security and integrity verification in your Splunk searches. SHA1 stands for Secure Hash Algorithm 1, which is a cryptographic hash function that produces 160-bit hash values. The output is always represented as a 40-character hexadecimal string, regardless of the input size. For example, when you input the simple word hello, SHA1 generates the hash value AAF4C6-1DDCC5E8-2DABE-E-DE0F3B482CD9AEA9434D. This demonstrates how SHA1 creates a unique fingerprint for any given input data. The basic syntax for the SHA1 command in Splunk SPL is pipe SHA1 field equals field name. This simple structure allows you to specify which field you want to hash. For practical examples, you can use pipe SHA1 field equals username to hash a username field, or pipe SHA1 field equals email to hash an email field. The command takes the specified field's value and generates its corresponding SHA1 hash, which can then be used for anonymization or verification purposes. The SHA1 command offers two primary parameters to customize its behavior. The field parameter specifies which field you want to hash using the syntax field equals field name. The as parameter allows you to create a new field with the hash result using the syntax as equals new field. These parameters give you flexibility in how you handle the original data and where you store the generated hash values, enabling you to maintain both original and hashed versions of your data when needed. Here's a practical example of using the SHA1 command in a real Splunk search. Starting with index equals web_logs, you pipe the results to SHA1 field equals user_ID as equals hashed_user, then pipe to table user_ID, hashed_user. This search takes user ID values from weblog data, creates SHA1 hashes of those values, stores them in a new field called hashed_user, and displays both the original and hashed values in a table format for comparison. SHA1 has several important use cases in data analysis and security. For data privacy, you can hash sensitive information like usernames and email addresses to protect personal identifiable information. For data verification, SHA1 helps verify data integrity and detect any unauthorized changes to your data. For anonymization purposes, you can create anonymous identifiers for analytics while maintaining the ability to consistently identify the same entities. The key benefits include one-way transformation that cannot be reversed, fixed 40-character output length, fast computation speed, and consistent results that always produce the same hash for identical input data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.